welcome back to my channel. So today I got some products that we're going to review. Well, that I'm going to review. And this is the package. And these are the products. So if you would like to know what these products are. Alright y'all, so I should have been did this video. So I got this when I went home for Christmas to my mom's house. Somebody done, well, she won this somehow, but it's an Avon bag, and it has like cool little makeup testers on it. Now if you remember, I reviewed another little kit like this. I can't remember who it was by, but this one is by Avon. So we're gonna see what type of things they have in here. So okay, so the first one is, this is a new powder serum. This is my first time looking at these items as well, but this looks like this. Ooh, I dropped it. So yeah, this is a powder serum. Let's see, to use in AM and PM. Apply to cleanse face once fully absorbed. Apply your preference of anti-aging moisture. Oh, so this is like something that basically is supposed to moisturize your skin and keep it tight. Y'all, I really love doing reviews, so anything I can get my hands on to review, I will review it, okay? So the next thing is this Ultimate Nights multi-performance cream, and it comes in a little thing like this, and I'm pretty sure you can order this stuff off of Avon.com. Okay, so to use this product, it says smooth over cleanse face in PM, so I guess that's in the evening. If tingling occurs, wait 15 minutes, and after cleansing it, you can use more sporadically. You can use more sparingly. Those who... Okay, so then it's saying people with sensitive skin may or may not be able to use it. It just depends on how your skin reacts. Now, this is how the cream looks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's creamy. Oh, it has a really light smell to it. A really light smell, and it doesn't feel too heavy. I like that. Doesn't feel too heavy at all. Alright, so another product they have is the Skin So Soft. Soft and sensual. It's a body lotion. Ooh. Now this I might actually keep to put in my purse, because you always need some lotion on deck. So I'm gonna put some of this on right now, girl. I'm gonna test this right now. I can get it open. Alright, and so I don't know if you guys use Skin So Soft before. Sorry y'all, my heat coming on. It's cold outside. But I used Skin So Soft growing up. And y'all know the oil Skin So Soft smells just like bug spray. Y'all know what I'm talking about? If you've never used it, like, it's pretty good though. Like, no lie, I wasn't ashy after I used it, so yeah, we're gonna see how that works. So the last item I have from Avon. So the last and final item is this lipstick, and it's in the color Cherry Jubilee. Looks like this. So it's kind of like, it's definitely not as red as it looks on the camera. That looks really bright. It's definitely not this red. Let's see if I can put it like that. Yep, there we go. So it's more like a burgundy. It's really pretty. It's a really nice winter color. Cute little lip liner with it, and I think you'll be good to go. Okay, Avon. I haven't used Avon in years. Avon's been around for years, if y'all ain't know about Avon. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia. Bye.